Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Robo-Advisor Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people are curious about automated investing, but unsure which platform delivers results. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios promises low-cost, automated investment management, but what you need to know before committing. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is a robo-advisor that builds diversified portfolios using ETFs based on your risk tolerance, goals, and time horizon. One standout feature is automatic rebalancing, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with your objectives without manual intervention. Most people get this wrong. They assume robo-advisors are hands-off and inflexible. The surprising truth is that Schwab offers integration with financial planning tools, and you can adjust portfolios or add specific preferences like socially responsible investing. Accounts over $5,000 benefit from automated tax loss harvesting. Another advantage is cost. Schwab charges no advisory fees, commissions, or account service fees, making it one of the more affordable robo-advisors available. This simplicity is appealing for beginner investors looking for hands-free portfolio management. However, there are considerations. You must maintain a minimum balance, and like any investment, portfolios carry market risk. The automated approach may not replace personalized financial advice for complex situations. In conclusion, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios offers a reliable, low-cost way to start automated investing with customization and rebalancing. It's ideal for beginners or those seeking a simplified approach, but investors should remain aware of market risk. Subscribe for more honest investment platform reviews before trusting your money to a robo-advisor.